Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Teeks643. We're breaking last night's auction or buy it now of Teeks643 portfolio. Jack has the Oilers in this break. Chuck got both satellites into Pack Wars Tournament number 14 and the Tournament of Champions. Hockey Pool bonus is a part of this break. So if you get 3 players in the break, you get a Hockey Pool player pulled for you. Hockey Pool is going to start as soon as the season starts. It's always a good time. Just double checking on the feed here. Alright, 3+ teams for all 4 kinds. He's got Shea Weber. It's a nice defenseman for the Habs. B. Martin. You've got Michael Del Zotto for the Vancouver Canucks. Bummer Boy. You've got Jokinen for the Vancouver Canucks. Then we've got DJ Bass, I believe that is. Give me 1 second here, double check. Portfolio, yep, DJ Bass had 3+ teams. Another Canuck, Edler. Then Justin A. You've got Ryan Kessler. And Lunchy. You've got Chittle for the New York Rangers. Then we've got 3 for all 4 kinds. Someone can let Jack know that he got Jokinen for the Canucks. All 4 kinds, you've got a good goaltender, Corey Crawford. You've got a defenseman, Adam Larson. And you've got Ivan Provorov for your extra 3. Is the video alright for other guys? I know Jack's having problems. Don't mind the washer in the background, just doing some laundry, no big deal. Alright, good luck you guys. Hudson and I had a lot of fun doing the Pack Wars for you guys tonight. First hit is a wire photo for the Philadelphia Flyers, Shane Gostisbehere. That one's going to Lunchy. Lunchy gets the first hit. And your 643 corrector card is a break used pool players. And it is a double black aces card from last year's Hockey Pool. I think that was actually 2 years ago, Hockey Pool. So that one's going to Philadelphia. And Lunchy. Next up, we've got a nice rookie of Max Domi going to Lunchy as well. Now playing for the Montreal Canadiens. We've got a rookie phenom of Colton Parayko for Justin A. How's the video for you, Brian? Next up, we got a rookie of the Breadman, Artemi Panarin. Another rookie for Justin A. In this pack, we've got another hit for the Philadelphia Flyers, Bobby Clark, wire photo. Jake Virtanen for the Vancouver Canucks. That's going to Bummer Boy. Then we got a Nicholas Lidstrom for the Detroit Red Wings and Lunchy. Lunchy's piling up the hits here in portfolio. Another rookie, this is Sam Bennett for the Calgary Flames. That's going to DJ Base. Daniel. Oh, we got something nice in here. Look at that. How about a Brett Kulak SP Authentics blue rookie autograph for Calgary and DJ Base. It's a nice hit. I haven't seen one of those in portfolio before. So congratulations, Daniel. We've got an Anaheim Ducks, Shea Theodore, going to Bummer Boy. Nikolai Ehlers for the Winnipeg Jets, going to B. Martin. Yeah, I didn't know those were in there either. It's kind of cool. We've got a wire photo, Philip Forsberg for the Nashville Predators and Justin A. Hey, look at that. Connor McDavid, rookie phenom for the Edmonton Oilers and Jack. Congratulations, Jack. I'll give him a quick update here. Next up, we have a Matt Murray for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Lunchy. Wire photo for Jack, Jake Virtanen. What's this? Oh, an autograph. Noah Hannafin for the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina. Lunchy. All kinds of hits for the lunch pail. Another wire photo. This is Corey Schneider for the Devils and B. Martin. Then we got a jersey of John LeClair for the Philadelphia Flyers and Lunchy. 2 packs to go. We got a rookie of Taylor Lear for the Philadelphia Flyers and the Lunchman. And the last pack, so the last card standing is going to earn their team owner a free spot in a box of Upper Deck Black. First of all, Matt Murray for Lunchy, rookie phenom, and the last card standing is Lunchy, Philadelphia Flyers. Congratulations, Lunchy. You get a free spot in a bonus box of 16-17 Black. That is spot number 27. I'm guessing we fill this up tonight. If we can sell a buy it now or two. Thanks for participating, you guys. Have yourselves a great night. I will be back in a few minutes with the auction of 14-15 Black Diamond. Once I get the roll call finalized. Have a good night, you guys.